Hey guys, this is the second time I'm doing a video, and what I've actually kinda did is within the data folder and in meshes, armor, you like how there's the oriental clothes, then there's Shinigami, then there's these, and then went from there. I did Shinigami Hollow, did another one, then these two are the ones that I created, then right there's that one, so I'm gonna see if this here does anything. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this, because I don't think there's anything in there. Now, I'm gonna go to textures. Okay, so there's also a file in there as well. Shinigami Hollow. Now I'm gonna put these into there. Alright, I think that's all I would need to do for that. Oh. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into Skyrim again, see if they appear. They might appear. But like if they're not here in the plugin menu, then they're not gonna show up. I don't think. Because most of these mods have plugins, but I don't know what the heck I could be doing wrong. Because I tried getting GIMP. I think that's what it's called, and yeah, that every time I ran it, it would say that the program has like it would stop responding at some point, which kind of sucks because then that means there's no way that I would ever be able to get items into Skyrim if that's what I would need to use. If I need to use that. So right here's my Nord guy. Now what I'm probably gonna do is whenever I get into the game, I'm gonna do like how I've done before, searching for the outfit within the thing. Man, all I freaking want to do is just retexture this outfit here. That's all I freaking want to do. God. I'm like, I just wish that there was a way. Wait a minute. I haven't. Hold on a minute. I created the folders just like how the other one looks. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into the creation kit and see if I can't find it there. But of course, I'm guessing if it's not in the mod that's already put in. Although in data, there's like all kinds of stuff. Let me see what happens when I actually paste this in. So it's in there. All these files are kind of like the same in a way. So let me see what that does. So now I'm going to go back into the creation kit. Then I'm going to go and look for the plugin and see if the plugin is there. And if it is, great, because then that means I can then, you know, and if it's not here, then, you know, I can always change the name of it. So, you know, it looks, well, not the name, but, you know, the ES, you know, the little ending thing. Because, you know, I tried getting, whatchamacallit, all I need to do is just change the little thing. I don't know what the little ending name things are, though. So now it's like that, so let me see what that does. That makes it accessible on the creation kit. And if so, I can then either put it into the game or it'll already be in the game and then I can, and the heck. Well, you know what, although, I guess, I don't know. Like, I have NIF files, but I don't know how to get that other stuff. You know what, I'm wanting to try something. I just got a cool idea. I'm putting these right here so they're backups of the items. You know what I'm about to do? I'm just gonna go in here and straight up replace those other ones and see if those do anything. Alright. Now I'm just gonna go and straight up load up Skyrim and see if the textures are changed, and if they are, I'm then gonna go and put the other cuirasses back in there and then see if I can't find the other ones. Or if it's just the texture, then I would need to I guess in a way you make multiple of the Shinigami outfits. So then I can then easily replace the Cuirass thingies with the other ones that are linked up with the other textures. Wait, did I just load up Skyrim? Screw it. I'm just... Wait, have I been loading up Skyrim itself, or have I been uploading SKSC? But yeah, the Shinigami outfit doesn't really need SKSE to, Holy fudge! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my... Holy! Holy... Oh my gosh. Yeah, those other crosses do definitely change this one. Oops. So he has Shinigami, so I need the Shinigami robe. Okay, so they're both the same. Okay, now since I figured that out, I'm now just gonna go in here and hold on, where? So now that I found that out, alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy one of them and paste them into here and see which one they replace. So this is the one I'm wanting to get because that one there's the original. Alright, so that edited Tress 1 NIF. Oh my god! Okay, so pretty much what I did is I retextured the outfit. So if I wanted to have different ones, I would have to somehow... Right. Yeah, I was doing that one. Oh well, I'm like, it's just for testing purposes. I don't need Skyrim script extender. Plus, I'm loading the new game one, which is the one that I had ran before I did Skyrim script extender. So, well, no, I didn't treat him before I did Skyrim script extender. You know what I mean. So now I'm gonna see if one or the caresses are still. Okay, his thing is back to being a regular Shinigami outfit. obviously. Oh no, wait, that's right. That was before I saved. The last time I didn't save it whenever I had the retextured item there. Well, I'm like, this is, if that's so, I can then probably create. Oh, okay, what happened? Okay. Alright, he still has Shinigami. Okay, yeah, I think both of those caresses are actually, or the textured ones, I think the first caress is one of either this one here or the other one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get the heck on out of here. Okay, so caress one and the other caress can't both, they're pretty much to one item. So maybe if I went, okay, so now I'm just gonna go and put that one back in there. So if I have both of these the same, then they would they would be the black and white. So I'm guessing those there are kind of like for the black and white stuff, while the other one, this here is probably, I think this here might be for the shape. And then these two are for like the black and white. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go in mine. I'm gonna wait. This one here is gonna be, so this one is gonna be 2. Just gonna change the 0 to a 2. See what that does. Then this one here will be 3. Kind of in the same way as the other one was, or are. Copy. Okay, and that one's supposed to be 0. This one's supposed to be 1, right? Product. Oh, brother man, serious. You know what? Let me just see what happens when I just copy both of those. Wait. Alright, well, let's just go ahead and see what happens. Yeah, I'm like, it would be cool for me to like be able to have different. I figured out how to retexture the outfit, but I don't know. I I don't know how to replace the, like create multiple objects. I guess if I created different ones and then just kind of like change the thing or whatever, the texture or whatever for like different ones, and just kind of keep tabs of them. Okay, his Shinigami outfit's back to normal, which is a really good thing. Alright, so since I now know how to exactly... Okay, I think this is gonna be extremely easy for me now. Because all I have to do is just go up to the creation kit, open that up, create different versions of the Shinigami kimono. I'm just gonna go straight for it. Alright, close ESP. Okay, so like all I'm doing is just loading this up so I can create a different version of the outfit. Then I'll put it as Shinigami Hollow and see if I can then change the texture of it, because if you have the outfit with the different name and then you load up the different textures or whatever for your outfit, you can then change the texture of it or whatever, because you are able to change the name of the outfit and stuff on here. And I'm going to duplicate the outfit first, and then I'm going to change the name. And yeah, so I'm like, there is one that can actually be put into Skyrim in the world, but I don't know how to exactly access that one. It's probably just the Shinigami thing, but the only one that I can find up on here is the Shinigami robe, so yeah. Or maybe that's what the item is, and then yeah. I think it's really cool because I just now figured out how to texture something that previously wasn't really, that isn't like an exact drawing. So I linked up the textures, then I built the outfit and stuff. So that's all I have to do to get the different outfits. So that's really cool because now I can make different textures. So if I wanted to, I could do like a Miku outfit, Oh, or maybe I can do a kind of version of the Shinigami Academy uniform outfits. That would be cool. Of course, if the creation kit ever loads. I don't know why it's having trouble loading just one item. Man, this video I'm definitely uploading to YouTube. I've recorded a couple different videos and not did anything with them, but yeah. I think I figured out how to create multiple of the different Shinigami outfits, or maybe yeah. Yeah, there's only one item that... Oh crap! No. God, no. No. I meant to duplicate it. Now I'm going to edit it. Oh, whoops. Oh, crap. Cancel. No, edit. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Alright, so now that I have that, I'm not going to close out the... I'm just going to save it there. Oh, oops. Okay. Let me see what that does. Gonna go off to here. Skyrim. Oh, whoop, not back up. Data. This is armor. Cancel close. Nagami. Oh, okay. That's an ESP. So I actually need to put this out here. Go back out of here, out of here, out of here, out of meshes. I need to put it in to here. Well, I'm gonna actually created an ESP of the item that I was trying to create earlier. Alright. Now I'm gonna go to games. Oops, so that was good with Skyrim script extender. Now I'm gonna let my add-ons load in. After that, I'm gonna go into the thing, run it, see if the Shinigami robe pops up. I mean, the Shinigami Hollow pops up. I'm gonna see if that pops up. And if it does, I'm then gonna get it, but I'm gonna then, see if there's any difference with it for now. And if there isn't, then, you know, I'm gonna then, I don't know, do whatever I need to change it. Because, you know, I've actually noticed that they have duplicated items and changed enchantments or taken off enchantments with the vanilla stuff, but I don't know if anyone has done it with, armored stuff. Oh, it's there! Item. Oh crap. Okay. Well, apparently, I'm like, the rating is 23, but it doesn't have the... Okay, so now all I have to do is just find it so, you know, it have the textures, or maybe I don't even have the model on it. So now that I have that, I'm gonna see if it is in any of the meshes. Yeah, I think probably what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the creation kit again and delete that one and then redo it to see if I can find out what went wrong, because, you know, when I put it on, it was nothing. So what I'm gonna do, well, I don't have to load up Skyrim, but I am gonna load up the Oriental Clothes. Then I'm gonna find the Shinigami Hollow. If it would be anywhere. Oh, there it is. Okay. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete the Shinigami Hollow from the thing. And then I'm gonna recreate the outfit. Well, not recreate it, but, you know, duplicate the Shinigami robe, redo it, then just play directly from the game. You know, like, once I created it, then, you know, go just directly to the game, not mess with any folders. Then see if it has the same message. Then if it does, I can then probably create a new folder for it within the folder that it already exists in. And then I can probably then go and put the texture in with it. Then if that works, or the two caress items, or I'll actually have all three of them there, because I think one of them is the overall 3D shape or something. The other two are the texture, or what colors or stuff is on it. I'm like, it would be really cool, because then that means I can then create multiple of the unfinished kimono. Then I can literally, then I seen this really cool utility thing where you can create NPCs. So once I actually then get tons of these different outfits created, I can then probably go and create NPCs and put them in the outfits. Alright, right here is... Wait, let me see what happens when I preview it. If anything happens. Okay, so preference comes up there. Okay. I'm just gonna create that one there and see what that does. Alright. Oh wait, that's right, because I put it in there. Let me see what happens when I put it into the Shinigami Hollow one. I'm just gonna call it Shinigami Eats for now, even though that's not its exact name. Oh, whoops. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it in there, and I'm gonna now go back into Skyrim and see what that does. Once all my stuff is loaded up, it will be really cool because especially if I'm able to duplicate these items, then put like message to them or something, or better, I don't know. Be able to have the stuff for them and stuff, and then once I've gotten that figured out, then I can actually create multiple different items, I guess. Well, multiple items, then I can also put different textures to those items, because then, I can create different, I don't know, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure, okay, he never even got the other one, or he did, but I didn't save it. Okay, Shinigami Hollow is still there. Yeah, it just shows nothing there. So I think probably what I'm going to do is instead of just deleting it, I just might try and figure out exactly how to, get the items, yeah, because the only thing I did was I created the item, but I didn't put any sort of meshes to it or anything, it doesn't have anything to it. But although, if I just went down here, well, not that far down. Did it delete itself? Oh, here we go. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna copy its name. I'm gonna go up to here to meshes, armor, Shinigami Hollow. Oh, whoops. That's right. I'm gonna rename this. Paste. Alright, so there's Oriental clothes. Then there's Shinigami. So for now, I'm just gonna rename and paste into here these names. And here I have these. So right there's Shinigami H. It wasn't taken, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. Now since I have that, I'm not gonna close this out. Go back to Skyrim script extender. Launch it again. Then I'm gonna go back into the game. Then I'm gonna go and re-give my guy the Shinigami Hollow. And if that works, great, because then, I can then actually go and... Wait a minute. If I were to copy both files, I can... Well, I don't know. Would I need to copy both files, or... I'm like... I don't know how I would upload them, because, it kind of seems complicated, because, you have 2 files of each. Within the thing, you have, like, the textures, and also the other stuff. That also are in Skyrim. Like the caresses, they automatically have the textures set up, so you can probably have one big file for all the different textures. Or something. Or I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna load my test character. It's a really good idea to have a test character, so just in case something doesn't work, you can just delete them. Awesome. it still doesn't show anything. So what in the world is this thing here missing that this one here has? Like, is it the texture thing? Oh, like I have the textures and also have all three of the caress thingies in the file thing. I just don't know why it's not really sewing up. Alright, there's the Shinigami outfit. That there's the Shinigami itself. Let me see what happens when I give him the Shinigami robe. 2, 7, D, 6. So both of those work. So okay, I don't get this because I duplicated the item from the whatchamacallit. I'm like, it is possible to duplicate. Well, I'm like, I did. I don't know. But I'm just gonna go ahead and load up. Oh, it's all this. Okay, so these are all the ESPs. Those are the plugins. I think I'm actually gonna go and look at each one and see if there is a difference. Like what I'm missing or what did I do wrong. What I might possibly do is I might just duplicate the outfit again and then see if the just duplicated outfit shows up like the clothing, and if it does, I'll then just try and rename, just the ID so it still pulls things from, or maybe I need to, I just don't know. I guess I'll see here. Yeah, because it would kind of suck to not be able to have multiple of the same outfit, but except like retextured, so where you can like have, you don't have to have everybody's outfit retextured. Instead, you can like have multiple of different outfits and stuff. That would be really cool though. So I'm just gonna edit this. I'm not gonna do anything to it. So right there's the name, right there's the ID. Alright. know what? I probably need to take out this 001 on it. Then I'll probably go for the files within the thing. Because, oh, you know, now I probably need to delete that one. Let me see, can I delete this? I want to. I don't think there is a way to delete that. Oops. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it, oh, you know what? I can just delete it from the thingy, from the plugins list. Yes. Save. I'm gonna go to meshes, armor, Shinigami Hollow. Save it in there for now. Save. Alright. I'm just gonna go up to the thing. Did that do anything? Yeah, it didn't. Then what if I paste it here? Oh, whoops. That's not where I was supposed to paste it at. Data. Here we go. Here we go. This is where I'm supposed to paste it at. I'm gonna go with this one. So when there is... You know what? No. Instead... Oh, crud. Did it do anything to... Okay, so Shinigami Hollow ESP is already there. I'm gonna keep that in there anyway. Alright. Now I'm gonna go to Skyrim. And I'm gonna go to play. Oh, once I get this, once all my mods uploaded from Steam, because those are loaded up each time. Man, this is gonna be really cool. Like, especially if I figure out to make it work and stuff. I did delete the Shinigami Hollow 001 thingy, apparently. Which is a good thing. You know, I'm just gonna hit continue because I think it will just load my test guy. Here we go. Okay, cool. So the only one now is Shinigami Hollow. Alright. So yeah, it still doesn't... Yeah. Okay, I guess probably what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna go and delete the thing. From data. And I think I'm just gonna go and recreate the thing. Although if I just delete this, then paste it back in, that's the one from 128. Now let me see what happens when I go back into Skyrim. I think I started this video like around 12-ish. I don't know. But yeah, it'd be cool if I actually made it to where instead of my character was wearing prison stuff, he was already wearing armor. That would be kind of cool and funny. Man, this guy has not got anywhere. I've just kept him in the prison area, just monkeying around with items, even though he would not have them after I do the thing. Yeah, it still just shows nothing. Yep, nothing. Nothing's there. I don't know why this one shows, but this one doesn't. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that one completely, and then delete out of the other thing, and then just reduplicate it. But instead of just changing the ID name that it's like known by or whatever. Yeah, I can't even paste it now since I deleted it from the thing. Oh, I'll be able to. I'm at least nearer than what I used to be a while back. So out here there's an ESP for everything, including for the Shinigami outfit. I'm just gonna keep the file open just to, make it easier to get the thing, copy it, and then paste it to the ESP thingy. Now I'm just gonna make sure that there is no other thing. So there's Oriental clothes. This is what I wanna put in. Yeah, no other one. Okay. Yes. Alright, once this loads in, I'm then going to search for Shinigami. Then create a new one and then see exactly where the messages go or whatever, or the thing, and I might possibly reroute it over to the other file because that's probably one of the things that you probably need to do. Because the Shinigami robe, that is rerouted to the Oriental clothes thing and over to Shinigami, so if that's true, I would then need to reroute this other one, change the name of it, and then reroute it to the other file. And so it's not taking from either whatever file it's not taking from, or once I figure that out, then I can go off and create other different messages, because all I'm really doing is just changing the colors of the outfits. So I can create a Miku outfit, or even just the plain regular outfit. Shinigami robe, duplicate, edit. Oops. Okay, so right there's models. Oh, okay. Alright, so this thing here is gonna be Shinigami Hollow. No, wait. Instead, I'm not gonna do anything with the ID. Instead, I'm gonna do with this. Cause there's the ID. I don't know if that's like what it's referenced as. Alright, now that I have that as Shinigami Hollow, now I'm gonna close this out. And then I'm gonna go into, of course, the file. Alright. There I have the Shinigami Hollow ESP paste. Wait, did I copy that from there? Hold on, I'm gonna delete that right quick. Because you know, I have to be careful and make sure I got it copied from here. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going back to games. Carbon script extender. Alright. Now I'm gonna go back into here, and once my mods load up again, I'm gonna then go and give him the outfit and stuff, see if it's a different code. It should be a different code because I completely duplicated the item. You know, I completely deleted the item and then duplicated it, so it should be a different code, should be different, so you know, maybe now, since I already have the folders in there, maybe then we'll get the correct stuff. Because, you know, that would be cool, because, you know, then if you wanted to, once you go and start creating different NPCs, if someone wanted to, they could create a Hollow Ichigo. I don't get why it doesn't load up the freaking messages and stuff. I'm like... You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna see something real quick. I'm gonna put him in the outfit. Then I'm gonna save it. Right here. And then I'm gonna quit the desktop. Then I'm gonna go into the message folder, because probably what's making it to where it's not accepting the message or even looking for the message is probably because it's not taking them because there's extra item in the folder. So I'm going to delete this. Yep. I'm also going to make sure I have the texture files as well saved, like that. You know, with the name. Because, you know, I did that with the meshes, but not with the textures. Yep. Alright. Now, I'm playing the game again, man. This is the most I have ever entered Skyrim, exited, you know, played it, got off, and man. But you know, this is really awesome, because what I'm actually pretty much showing when I'm doing this is that you do not have to have like 3DS or other various things to retexture certain items within Skyrim. Alright, here's my guy. He already has the outfit on. Let's see if it appears. Oh. Oh, it doesn't. Yep. Hold on. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go on ahead and get rid of the outfit for now. Save it again. And I'm just gonna go and just completely delete the outfit, then run Skyrim again to, like, you know, not have the outfit in there. So pretty much I think the only thing I need to do is just go down here and find the Shinigami Hollow thing and delete it. Alright, there we go. Now I'm just gonna run Skyrim and see what it does. You know, see if that Shinigami Hollow thing is still in there. And if it's not, then great, because then, you know, I can then go into the creation kit and completely re-duplicate it all over again. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's very late. I'm definitely gonna be going to bed, I guess, after. Okay, yeah, it's been deleted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that guy. Wait. Oh, yeah. That's right, these are... Alright, so it's completely out of the game now. So now I'm gonna go to creation kit. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate the Shinigami robe first. Then I'm just gonna go and save it within the data area. You know, that's probably what I did wrong. I should have actually not saved it in the data area. I should have saved it in the, the folder thing. I should have saved it within the data area. And so, yeah, so instead of just saving it inside the folder, instead I should save it directly to data, and I should name it exactly the exact thing of the file, which I think I still have as the thing. And then like if I'm able to create multiple of, well, actually, what if I just went and just duplicated the whole Oriental clothes section of the thing? Like what if I just did that? Would that wind up doing? Would that wind up duplicating the? Well, no, duplicating the folder doesn't do anything. You have to find the ESM, or ESP thing, the thingy to duplicate it. And the easiest way I know of is just going on here and duplicating it that way. Now what I did is I did not take out the duplicate part of the thing, so right here's Shinigami robe, duplicate it, then edit this, paste this, then put a space in between that. I'm actually going to change up its armor rating to 50. Why not? I don't know if this was added in there. Okay, this is the message. No wonder. No, wait, that's for that. Alright. Let me see what happens when I do new. Oh, crap. Okay, so there's only... So the only one is Shinigami AE. Crap. Oh well, okay. Okay, nope, nothing in there. Okay, so that wasn't there. The chair wasn't checked. There's nothing there. Alright. Alright, I think I have this correct now. Yep. Alright, this time... You know what, this time it's just gonna be in here, inside data. Because it's usually where that kind of stuff would be. Nope, no, inside data. There we go. Alright, now I'm gonna go off to games. Now I'm gonna go back to Skyrim. I'm just gonna go and play just straight up, you know, not even going to the... Although I might launch whatchamacallit. I'm actually gonna go ahead and check and see if my mod is within one of these areas, because maybe, well, like it's automatically in there, but I don't know. So it's not in armor, it's not in clothing, it's nothing I downloaded. Alright. Alright, let's try this again. Oh wait, you know, I guess it doesn't matter if I play Skyrim or if it's Skyrim script extender, because I guess they both do the same thing, I guess. Oh, that's right, I deleted my guy. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and do a new game. not feel like trying to throw away one of my other guy that I have. I also might later on install the oh, well, guess that doesn't work. Alright. Ah. Oh well, there's two different Shinigami robes now. Still not set up with those dang textures. Well, I'm like, I learned how to duplicate an item, but how do you get textures from one file to go to another? I'm like, I think I have my files named correctly. What's in the thing? Wait a minute, maybe. Wait, there's all of those. So wait, there's those. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna delete these. Open Skyrim Nexus. I'm gonna then go and rebuild my outfit and put it back into the Shinigami, whatchamacallit. Yep, Shinigami Hollow. Oh wait, that's right, I'm gonna have to change the name of the outfit. Wait a minute, but couldn't I do that within the file though? Like tools, sliders. All I'm doing is just changing the name, it shouldn't change any of the programs within it. Alright, I'm gonna close that down, launch this again. So he has the same outfit still. But, oh, okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete these very quick. What in the world are these two? I'm gonna keep those there. For now. Now I'm gonna go and see if... Nope, not there anymore. I'm actually gonna see what happens when I do Shittigami Hollow. Nope. Oh wait, that's right, I deleted everything, didn't I? Wait, did I? Hold on a minute. Yeah, there's nothing in there now. Oh, oops. Oh, jeez. No freaking crap. You know, I am gonna keep that file there. Oh, that's right, I can do this one here. I'm gonna do this one here. This is gonna be called Shinigami Hollow. Alright, there we go. Now we have this outfit. So, I'm guessing what I did last time is I didn't do it exactly from here. So, now that I have that, it's now time to start setting textures as different ones. You know what? Let's do... No, I'm gonna do the white first. Wait, what did I just do? I don't think I did anything to it. Whoops. Yup, just put black in there. Man, this software is just really awesome because it's really simple to texture this stuff. It's just really cool. Alright, there we go. Now we have this. Okay. I'm gonna go and save this. I'm just gonna go ahead and export the Alright, there we go. Gonna go ahead and load this up. Yeah, it looks the same. Alright, now I'm gonna go to this, build. Okay, I think all that's correct. I'm gonna rename this because I did do this one off of that other thing. Okay, I'm kinda confused. Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. If I go into here, there's only one ST caress. That's a 0. Oh, okay. So maybe all I have to do is just take this one, delete that one, then load, hold on. So I got the 1ST caress done. Okay, so it just builds those ones, so maybe what I need to do is I need to then delete this one and then go off of another one. So now this one will be off of the so there's caress 0, which I can base it off on because, you know, I think those two are pretty much the same. So if I go to this one, and then what the hell? Oh yeah, that's right, what I'm now doing is alright, here we go. Now all I have to do is just do all the textures again. Alright, here we go. Now all I have to do is save this project. I'm also probably gonna there you go, it looks just exactly like the other one. Wait, what in the... Shit, got me home. I'm gonna do... I don't know if I should delete that. I'm gonna open this file so I can get to Steam. Alright, that's where that's gonna go. Alright. Alright, now that I have that outfit done with, I'm gonna go into Skyrim. Well, I'm like, just because I have the file completely done, I think I'd probably have to duplicate the other one and then change it to that one. I think. Yeah, I think so. Well, I'm like, all I have to do, or better yet, maybe if I just did a completely new item. Oh, that would be too hard. So, okay, I think all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to... Here we go. Yes. Okay, because when I switched out the caresses for my outfit with the caresses in the Oriental file, the colors changed immediately. So all I would need to do is just make a plugin or something for it. I don't know. I'm just gonna see if this works because it's too. Because then if this works, then that would be freaking awesome. Actually, I don't know why I just see Oriental clothes in the thing for the plugins. And whenever I create my thing, it doesn't show Oriental clothes. It shows the name that I put it as. I don't know. I'm gonna try doing a new thing. That's how much the value is gonna be. Okay, here we go. Default race is an actual thing. So head, no head, body, forearms, cows. The armor rating is going to be 50. Shinigami AA is gonna be what it's gonna be. Oh no, what the heck is editor ID? I'm like, what is that supposed to be? Oh, that's right, I did duplicate right here. I'll just go ahead and update this thing. The fuck? Sorry, I don't mean to cuss. I don't want it to be freaking called Shigami Duplicate because then, it won't be freaking... Yeah, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate that one. What the hell? Fucking God! Fine. Alright, so now I have all of those, so it should be able to work. Hopefully. Then after this, I'm going to bed. Oh well, now there's 4. So I'm gonna get this second Shigami robe. Then I'm gonna go and get the other one, which is just 6-5. And hopefully one of them works. Oh great, they both don't. That freaking sucks. Oh my gosh. Alright, so now I have to figure out a way to delete all of those. Because there's only one Shinigami Hollow in here, in the Steam area. Man, I wish there was a way to create a thing within the whatchamacallit. Because, you know, I have those in this thing, then in here I have these. That's pretty much the same, but I need a BSA that would match it. I have no idea what Oriental Clothes BSA would be.